this is Sakshi Chaturvedi and welcome to my channel, and today's video is all about rhinestones, pearls and all the accessory that you can add in your makeup to take your makeup on the next level. So before we dive into the video, please take a moment and appreciate this makeup which I did using only my hands and a toothpick. Yes, you heard it right. No brushes, no beauty blender, no puff, it's just my hand and a toothpick. So yeah, if you want to know how, please click right here. So before we start this video, I'll take you through all the products which I own and I use in my makeup. So I'll start with this rhinestone box, and I got it from Amazon, and this cost me around 600, and it got two different colors. I hope you can see. So this has a little color and this is in silver, and this also has a different sizes. So this one is bigger and it goes towards the smaller size. And this came with this wax pen. So this wax pen is really helpful when it comes to stick your rhinestone. So you can basically stick your rhinestone, you can just pick your rhinestone and you can stick it right there. So this is very helpful. The next product which I have is this pearl box. I hope you can see. So this is also has like different sizes. This one is bigger and it goes towards the smaller one, and this cost me around 300, and I also got it from Amazon. So if you think that these products are expensive, don't worry my love, I have got you covered. I have got these stones from stationery, and these are like, you can see the rhinestones, pearls, a metallic kind of a pearl, different size, and again different size of pearl. So I got all these sheets just for 20 rupees. Yeah, each sheet is for 20 rupees, and this smaller sheet is for just for 5 rupees. And I got all these sheets from stationery. And if you don't find these stones at stationery, I'll link the product in my description box so you can check it out. I have one more option for you which is cheaper than this sheet as well. So what you all have to do, you have to go to a local cosmetic store, and where you will find these loose stones, and these loose stones comes in terms of weight, like you in like 20 rupees you might get like 100 grams or something. So yeah, I also got these loose stones as well with me. So because I use a lot of rhinestones in my makeup, so I have a lot of options. So the next most important thing that you will need is a lash glue. So lash glue is basically to stick your rhinestones, and please don't use Fevicol to stick your rhinestone, because Fevicol is not safe to apply on your face. It will irritate your skin. Now coming to how to stick your rhinestone. So I'll take the glue on some surface, like I have taken my glue over this plate, and I'll take this pen and I'll take the back side, the metal side, to pick my glue, and I'll just apply my glue right there. Then I'll pick my rhinestone using the wax side of the pen, and I'll just go, yeah, like that. So it's very easy. If you don't have a wax pen, what you all can do, you can just take simply a brush or back of the brush, and you can apply clay over it, and you can just pick your rhinestone and pick it. So this also works the same. One more important thing, if you stick your rhinestone at the wrong place, you have to move it right away, because when your glue dries out, your stone really gets stick, and if you try to move it, it will not. So just keep in mind, whenever you are sticking your rhinestone, you stick it at the right place, and if you want to move it, just move it right away. This was it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and loved the efforts, and you learned something from this video. So if so, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Sakshi_Chaturvedi_. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.